Let me show you how you can achieve this smooth zoom in effect and out. Let me play the video on my timeline. Let me show you how you can achieve this smooth zoom in effect and out. I want the zoom effect to come in at the point I said zoom in. Let me play to that point. It is smooth. Make sure your playhead, which is this vertical line, is exactly on the point you want to add the zoom in effect. So I'll select the video on my timeline and I'll tap on this keyframe icon. As you can see, a keyframe is added to the video on my timeline. This red diamond sign represents a keyframe. Move your video to the point you want the zoom effect to stop. So I'll tap on my keyframe icon again and another keyframe has been added. So at this point, I'll just pinch my screen to zoom out the video on my timeline. Move your playhead again to the point which you want the zoom out effect to start. So I'll move to this point, tap on my keyframe icon again, and the keyframe is added to the video on my timeline. I'll move to the point that I want the zoom out effect to stop. Tap on my keyframe icon again, another keyframe is added to my timeline. I'll just pinch in the video on my timeline. Let me show you how you can. And here's the final result. As you can see, my zoom in and out effect is slow. If you want it faster, select the video on your timeline. Now use your two fingers to stretch the video on your timeline until the frame rates are revealed. Now if you look at my timeline, you can see 5F, 10F and so on. Those are the frame rates. Make sure your playhead is on the point you want the zoom effect to start. Click on the keyframe button. Keyframe is added. And also move to the point you want your zoom in effect to stop. Click on the keyframe button. Zoom out your video. Now move to the point you want your zoom out effect to start. Tap on your keyframe button and move to the point you want your zoom out effect to stop. Click on the keyframe button. Keyframe has been added. Pinch out your video to zoom out. And here's the final result. Achieve this smooth zoom in effect and out.